Hi, welcome back to Sue Marie P. I've had a request for some healthy breakfast ideas. So I'm going to share my oat and apple porridge. So come with me and let's see. So I've got my new little setup here. I've got my little mobile hob, which is awesome, from IKEA. So I'm going to switch it on and we're going to set it to maybe a temperature of 4. So I've got a cup of oats that I'm adding to my pot with some oat milk. So I'm going to start with 2.5 cups of the oat milk, just to get it going. And we're adding in a teaspoon of cinnamon, and we're going to add a little sprinkle of salt. And I've got some freshly chopped and diced apple, so I'm just adding that into my porridge as well. And then I just stir it and wait till it all thickens up, and then I'll put some fancy toppings, and that's pretty much it. So it's a great go-to in the morning. You can also make it the night before and just reheat it so you've got a quick breakfast if you want to rush out the door. The other thing I like doing is I recycle my jam jars. So that's really handy. You can put some leftover porridge in here, and you can even take it to work with you and heat it up in the microwave and have it at your desk at the office. So this might take about 5 minutes or so to heat up. So while it's heating up, you just need to keep an eye on it and stir it. I've just popped my heat up a little higher. These are induction pots, so I'm still getting used to the temperature of this new hob, but I've just popped it up to mark 6, and we just want to make sure the apple's a little soft and the porridge is thick. And then I've got a few things that I'm going to top it with. I've got some maple syrup, sunflower seeds, I've got some pre-roasted walnuts, some frozen raspberries that I've defrosted and slightly heated up. And I've got this great mix which is flaxseed and goji berries, which I sprinkle on my cereal, and also I pop into smoothies. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd really encourage you to subscribe and hit the bell button, and then you won't miss out on any of the new recipes that I have to share with you. Alright guys, these are just about done. So then I've got some of my defrosted raspberries that I heated up just before the video. So they look a bit like jam. They've got a little bit dark, or you can use fresh raspberries. Banana tastes great on top as well. Then I'll do a sprinkle of my sunflower seeds. Sprinkle of the walnuts. Then we're going to sprinkle on some of these goji berries. Sorry, it's really a flaxseed with goji berries. And then this is optional. I like a little drizzle of maple syrup, so we're just going to drizzle that over the top. And there you have it, my apple and oat porridge. So our porridge is cooked. I'm hungry, so let's have a little taste. Warm and hearty. The apple's still a little bit crunchy, which I quite like. I don't like having it so soft that you can't tell that it's not apple. So if you've enjoyed my video today, hit the like button and let me know if you've tried this and you like it. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Thank you for watching today. Please comment below if you've tried this recipe and you like what you've made. And if you've got any ideas on anything that you'd like me to make, please let me know. Send me a message. See you next time.